Have you written your intentions out for the new year? Or have you written intentions in the past and then been so disappointed because they haven't come to fruition or they haven't manifested as quickly as you would like them to? Well, today I'm going to show you how to build a simple crystal grid to help amplify and manifest your intentions faster. Hello, I'm Karen and creator of the Silver Sage, and I'm hoping you stay right to the end so you can see the finished product. So let's get started. A crystal grid is a powerful arrangement on a geometric design using your crystals and a shape of your choice to help amplify and focus your intentions. The grid plus the crystals plus the power of your intentions creates a synergistic flow and effect. Crystals have unique vibrations that interact with your energy field, and when you choose crystals that also align with your intentions, such as a rose crystal, if you want to attract in love, or even better, to boost and build self-love, or citrine, if you are wanting to attract in abundance or even healing. They and their vibration works with what you're putting toward on your grid with your intentions. By placing the crystals in a crystal grid, you enhance that natural energy flow, creating a focused space to set your intentions and help them to manifest. The geometric grid adds that extra layer of energy and using some of the sacred shapes, such as a circle or a triangle, spiral, and today I'm going to use a diamond shape. They help you to bring in harmony and balance to add to your grid. So you're going to activate the grid at the end too with a simple meditation or visualization, and I'll tell you more about that as we move on. So let's get started. I've chosen some very simple basic crystals that are easy to find and they're not super expensive. Also, your crystals don't have to be big. You can have them small. It all works with your energy that you're focusing in onto your grid. For example, today I'm using a crystal quartz, and this is your master amplifier crystal. It has big energy to it. I'm using citrine, as I talked about, for attracting in abundance and positive energy. I'm using amethyst. This helps to build the spiritual connection and also has been used for attracting in wealth. I've mentioned the rose quartz. And I'm also going to use a smoky quartz for grounding and protective energy on your grid. What we'll do first is get your intentions. Hopefully you've written maybe 1, 2, or 3, not too many. Place that in the center of your shape. And on top of that, I'm adding my master crystal, my clear quartz for amplifying power. Then I'm going to add rose quartz, my amethyst, the citrine, and the smoky quartz. And I like to think of adding them in the 4 directions as well. That's why the diamond shape is such a big help to me. Something else I'd like to add in are extra crystal amplifiers. And these have a point on the end so that I can use them to direct the energy toward my intentions. And I just lay them all around, pointing inward to the intentions that I've written. Once again, they don't have to be expensive and they don't have to be big. Then you can add special little touches to your grid, such as a candle. I really like having that on. I have my moon goddess here, and I'm going to add a little feng shui frog for abundance. You could add flowers, you could add pictures, whatever you would like to make it very special to you. Then we're going to activate the grid. When you get it all done, you just put your hands over your grid, close your eyes, take some deep breaths in, and do a little meditation or visualization about your intentions all coming true. They're coming to you easily, effortlessly, and joyfully. Another added element is saying an affirmation, or many affirmations, however many you would like to add, to set the intention to your grid. The one I'm using today is, I am aligned with my intentions. They come to fruition with ease and joy for my highest good. And that's it. So let me recap. Very simple. You're going to write out your intentions. You're going to choose the shape of the grid that you would like. You're going to choose the crystals that align with your intentions that you're putting out. Activate it, and then add affirmations to the overall completed crystal grid. You can maintain it throughout as long as you would like to have it, and change them up, whether it's for the solstice, an equinox, maybe a special holiday, or even for a different moon phase. It's all up to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will leave a comment at the base of this video telling me whether you've tried it and has it worked for you. And remember, please like and subscribe.